This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Translate as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. If you look right up this way, you can see I have an app called Google Translate. If I double click on that to open it, it opens up Google Translate as an app. You still have all the same features. It's just now an app. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to delete this to show you how to install it. I'm going to go to my installed apps, and right here, Google Translate is installed as an app. I'm going to uninstall it. Now it is uninstalled. You can use either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser to do this. I'm going to show you how to do it on each. I'm going to start off with the Chrome web browser. Open up the Chrome web browser. Go to google.com. Make sure that you are logged into your Google account. I am logged in. You want to click on the 9 little dots over here, the Google Apps. I'm going to click on that. Then you want to find Google Translate within here. You have to search all through here. Mine is right here. I'm going to click on it. I am on Google Translate now. Now you want to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll go straight off to the left and down to where it says Install Page as App. I'm going to click on Install Page as App. A little dialog box will pop open here asking you if you want to rename it or not, and then you would just go down and click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to close this out. I'm going to open up the Edge web browser, and most of the steps here are the same. You want to go to google.com. I am on google.com. You want to make sure that you are logged into your Google account. Then you'll go to these 9 little dots over here, Google Apps. Click on Google Apps. Then you'll need to find Google Translate in here. Mine is right here. I'm going to click on Google Translate. Now I am on the Google Translate page. Then you'll go up to the top up here, up to the 3-dot menu. Click on the 3-dot menu. Then you will go down to where it says More Tools. Put your cursor over More Tools. Then you'll go straight off to the left and up to where it says Apps. Put your cursor over Apps. And right off to the right here it says Install this site as an app. It shows the little logo for Google Translate next to it. I'm going to click on that. A little dialog box will open up asking you if you want to rename this app. I'm just going to click on Install. It takes it just a second and then it automatically opens. It is already open for me. There's another little dialog box here asking where I want to pin this icon for the app. Do I want to pin it to the taskbar? Do I want to pin it to the start? Do I want to create a desktop shortcut? Or do I want this app to auto start on device login? You just have to use your own judgment here. I'm going to go with create a desktop shortcut. I'm going to click on allow. I'm going to close this out. And right here, I have an app called Google Translate. I'm going to double click on it to open it. And now it is Google Translate is an app on my desktop now. That is how to install Google Translate as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.